Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of Exploring the North. Something a little bit different today. We do have more town and village walkarounds planned, but today we're at the Embsay and Bolton Steam Railway. Now we mentioned this place on a previous video we did at Bolton Abbey, but there's two stations, one at Embsay and a Bolton Abbey station. It's a vintage railway, old steam railway. It's an hour-long round trip. I think it's 20 minutes one way. You spend 20 minutes at one of the stations, and then you come back the other way, and it's another 20 minutes. So we'll get inside now. We'll have a look at the vintage station, we'll go on the train, have a look. See, it's a beautiful day in the Yorkshire Dales, and we'll see what it's like, whether it's worth the money. It's a very popular attraction. So yeah, this is the car park. We've started off at the Embsay station and we're making our way, as you can see there. Got the Embsay sign. The full price for a family of four ticket is supposed to be about £44, and I think it's £16 for an adult and roughly £10 for a child. There's plenty of departure times that you can choose from, but just be sure you go to the correct station, because there are two, and when you're booking it can sometimes be a little bit unclear on certain websites that when you're booking through them where they depart from and where they arrive at, if that makes sense. So we booked through a site called Love to Visit and we got half price off of it because of that, but it wasn't very clear which station we should go to, so do check that out. At each of the stations there is a cafe as well and shop. Once you've had your first 20-minute journey, you can then enjoy a coffee while you're at the station at the other side for 20 minutes before you set off again. Yeah, so that was really interesting. I was just chatting to the lady at the ticket office and she said that you can actually make a day of it going over to Bolton Abbey if you want. If you came here early in the morning, we can see a bric-a-brac shop here, look, at the Embsay station, and public toilets. Well, not public, are they, but toilets for the station. But yeah, you can go on the early train, spend the day at Bolton Abbey if you walk over there, and then if you arrange it with them in advance, they'll try and get you back on a later train. So that's good to know. So you could, for your money, you can make a day of it. But there is plenty to do at each side. Yeah, built in 1888, it's a 4-mile line that connects Embsay with Bolton Abbey station. It's a preserved line that's operated largely by a team of volunteers, and they do also operate various experience days from, you know, cream teas, breakfast, things like that, all the way up to, I think, getting inside the trains and stuff, and you can enjoy that. So do check that out. Sure what this is. In platform 2 waiting room. Anyway, everyone seems to be up this top of this bridge here. Let's go and have a look up here. So we're on carriage C. Apparently we've got a table reserved, so we'll get on. Should be fun. We have done this before when the kids were really young and they loved it. So oh, we're setting off. We're setting off. I thought we everybody on board. Oh, whistling, Yeah, so it was an interesting ride. It felt quite old and rickety, but it's an old train, isn't it? And it wasn't very fast, but you know, it's not a long way to Bolton Abbey, so it was just a nice, relaxed, enjoyable ride, really. You can see a dog over there, can't you? Yeah, worth remembering, you can bring dogs on for a cost of £2. But yeah, let's head in and have a little look at the cafe and the gift shop. I'm guessing he's turning round to hook us back on the other side.
They cut the corner off, and that's that now.
Can I get a little picture of that? Yeah. Yeah, so sadly the shop was shut today, but there's still things to explore, and some of the things we've seen with the trains are amazing, you know. And good to know that there's plenty of free parking at either side, whether you start at the Bolton Abbey side or the Embsay side. So we've had our 20 minutes at Bolton Abbey station, time to get back on, to reboard and head back towards Embsay. Thank you very much. That's it then, that's the end of our trip. So we've definitely had a nice time. It's not, I think the kids probably enjoyed it a little bit more when they were younger, but it was more of a relaxed trip this time. They definitely enjoyed it, but not in the excited way they did when they were younger. But it was still very much worth a trip today to Embsay and Bolton Abbey Railway. Thank you for watching Exploring the North. Until next time, from Embsay Steam Heritage Railway, bye for now.